When it comes to using AI, we have to understand that as Christian business owners, we should not shy away from AI. AI is here and it is here to stay, okay? Yes, there's speculation around AI in general. However, we have to understand that we need to adapt to it and we need to figure out how to use it in our business without using it as a way to replace the Holy Spirit, okay? We are called to partner with the Holy Spirit in business. We are not called to replace him. And so it's important that we know that so that we do not begin to seek ChatGPT for wisdom that we should actually be getting from God, right? And so here are a couple ways that you can actually use ChatGPT as a Christian business owner to help you in your business. So number one, you can use this to summarize long emails or notes. So if you are someone that, sends out emails frequently, or maybe you're taking calls and you're taking notes on them, you can actually take those notes and use it to populate in ChatGPT to summarize them. I know for some AI systems like Google has it to where it will actually summarize your notes for you while you're on the call. So you can use stuff like that. No biggie, right? You're really using it to become more efficient in your business. That's how you need to look at it. And the more you become efficient in your business, the more time you save, which means the more money you save, right? And so this is how you want to think of ChatGPT and how you want to think of any AI system that you use in your business. The second thing you can use it for is to clean up any writing and do any spell check. Okay. So similar to other platforms such as Grammarly, you can just pop it in there and you can ask ChatGPT to act as an editor for over 10 years and ask it to go through and clean up any errors, any grammar, any punctuation, any issues, just spell check in general. And you can use this to help you. Let's say maybe you're writing a book. You can just populate that in there and you can have it to go in there and clean it up. Or maybe you are writing an email sequence and you're going to use that as part of your email marketing campaign and you need someone to just go through and look and clean it up. You can actually do something like that in ChatGPT, right? Another thing you can do is use it to generate simple graphics or simple visuals. And I'm sure many of us have started seeing this on Facebook and social media where people are posting ChatGPT photos and then they're saying, hey, come out and all these things. That's completely fine. You can do that, right? Not all of us are artistic when it comes to drawing and all those things. Completely fine, quick. You can get that done in less than 5 minutes. Completely fine. Another thing you can do is use it to refine the titles based on the topics that the Holy Spirit has given you. And let's say you're on YouTube, God sometimes will give you topics. I know for me, he gives me topics. And so I want to make sure that I stick close to his topics as much as possible. And so you can use ChatGPT to refine the titles so that they are still SEO friendly, right? God knows how systems work. And he knows our heart in wanting to stay in alignment with what he's asked us to do and stay in obedience with what he's asked us to do. So you can actually do that kind of stuff, right? It's just when you get to start being like, hey, what should I write about? How should I do this? How should I do that? Then that's when you start getting into possibly replacing the Holy Spirit with ChatGPT. Because the Holy Spirit is who's going to give you divine intelligence, divine insight. He's going to give you the wisdom, right? He's going to give you the wisdom. Now, I'm not saying you don't go get knowledge because we are expected to go get knowledge, right? This is why he's given each and every single one of us different gifts. He's put different solutions in us and made us experts in different industries and different niches so that we can help each other. I'm just saying you have to be careful that you don't place an AI system over the power of the Holy Spirit, because you could go to a strategist that is filled and really has a relationship with God that can actually help you with your business. And so that's completely different versus using an AI system to basically tell you how to do your business. It's completely different, right? Another thing you can do is use it to do like market research. So if you want to do some market research on there, ChatGPT is really great, right? Because it pulls different sources, different information, and you can use that. So let's say you are looking to get more information about who your target audience is, go to ChatGPT, right? Like as far as different things like that. Now you do need to do more research outside of that, okay? That's why I said light, but you can go to ChatGPT to do some market research. Another thing you can do is use it to make your content clearer and easier to read. Okay. Sometimes you get to typing, and I know for me, if I get an idea, I just start typing it out and I'm like, okay, I want to keep exactly what I'm saying, but I need you to just to clean it up and make it clear so that people can easily understand what it is that I'm communicating. So you can do something like that. Another thing that you can do, which is very powerful, and this is just with AI in general, you can actually set up automations in your business using AI systems. And this is powerful because it allows you to create workflow. So for some of you who have, maybe you're on calls all the time, you can actually have ChatGPT to begin writing email copy for you. You can have it to where ChatGPT or just another AI system is able to communicate with another system and be able to create a workflow for you so that when you get off a call, there's an email that immediately goes out, right? All of these things are part of AI. And this is all part of building an efficient business. Okay. Time is money. And one of the things about just kingdom and just about life in general is that time is actually the biggest currency. Okay. It's not money, it is time. And so if you can find a way to use ChatGPT in your business or use AI in your business to become more efficient, then by all means, please do it. Just do it in a way, of course, that does not replace the Holy Spirit and your partnership with him to build what it is that he's calling you to do within the earth, right? And so these are some of the ways that you can actually use ChatGPT. So if you know that God has called you to start a business and you would like to learn more about entrepreneurship and just how to get your business off the ground, I would like to invite you to join my free masterclass on April 22nd, where I will be teaching you how to create a profitable business in under 60 days. I'll be covering topics such as how to choose your ideal audience, how to create an irresistible offer, how to choose your product or service in your business. If this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and click the link in my description box. It's also in my comment section so that you can get registered and signed up. If you'd like to learn more about entrepreneurship and would like to learn how to create a business God's way without the hustle, go ahead and click that subscribe button and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Well, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.